Today, using our Hitec Co2 laser marking machine, paired with rotary axis, I'll demonstrate the entire process of marking. On an incredibly curved cup surface, the results are stable. Marking solution? Send a private message to Hitec Laser for a consultation. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe. In the next episode, we'll demonstrate even more applications for rotary objects.